We're going to create now through December 24th, Christmas Eve. We're going to have 24 days of Advent Calendar. Hello, my friend Lori. How are you? So I just thought I would create with you guys at random. I am pulling them out of my head. I don't have a big plan quite yet. I should actually get better at being planning because I love planning. So we're going to be using the stamp set, Farmhouse Christmas, which is one of my stamp sets, my favorite stamp sets in the holiday catalog. We're also going to be using the Designer Series paper called All Is Bright. All Is Bright. It's got a great graphic image as well as a picture image on alternating sides. So you have a great collection to work with there. Sorry. We'll be using the striped treat bags, and I love using our packaging in a new way. So if you didn't know that, it's really kind of cool that you can do that. We're using Whisper White cardstock and a circle punch, which I could have swore I brought it over. Oh, my daughter has it for me. My little assistants here. And real red ink pad. So yep, it's right in front of me. She's so good. I'm a little distracted. We're going to make a cute little treat holder. One of my favorite things. We're going to use this gorgeous gold foiled striped treat bag, and we're going to make a little holder with a little card. So let's go ahead. I'm going to turn this for you guys now. Hello, my lovelies. I think it got a little twisted. Leave it to me to get things a little twisted. So what we're going to do is using this gold treat bag and a bone folder. So one of the things I love doing is making a little care package. And because I'm making this with you guys today, I will be giving every one of these treats out. It's my little way of giving blessings to people for the holidays. So I thought, what better way? I store so much of my stuff that it's best to unload it and bless people. So we're going to take a cute little hot cocoa packet and a little candy cane. And we're going to take a piece of thick Whisper White cardstock that I scored at 4 inches. So we're making a 4-inch card, and we're just going to bone fold that. All of these treats I want to make with you guys should take just a few moments, really. That's true. You're a good grandmother, my dear. Hopefully you're feeling better. You've been in my prayers. So let's go ahead, and we're going to take a piece of 3.5 by 3.5 of this great All Is Bright Designer Series paper, and we're just going to go like so, and with our snail adhesive, pop it on the front of a Christmas card. The reason I had this out, as well as the stamp set, is I made little care packages at my door with soda pop for the delivery people. So we're going to take our real red ink pad, and we're going to stamp it this little sweet Merry Christmas greeting. And I'm pulling it up as we go, my dears. Just like so. Boop. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And that's one of my favorite things, you guys. I love things to be easy, quick, and clean. And then we're going to take the circle punch. This is very KISS. Keep it simple, stamper. Don't go above and beyond for your projects. Just realize that you're going to be blessing somebody, and that's all that it needs. It doesn't need to be crazy awesome. You know what I mean? You don't have to go above and beyond. And actually, I probably totally could take this above and beyond with some of that gold thread that we have. And do you know what my gold thread is, honey, at the bottom of my ribbon thingy? It's a really thin one. Actually, I'm going to do that while we're waiting. My daughter will go get the gold thread just to kind of tie this in together. Now, I want to show you guys how cute this little cocoa packet is. This is one of our gold striped bags. If you didn't know, we have these great little packaging items available in the paper packaging basics section of the main catalog, page 192. And you can see that right there, this little packaging treat bag. And thank you. Perfect. Oh, that's copper, but it'll work. She grabbed my copper one, but you know what? It's all cute. We're going to take this. The fine thread is one of my favorite things to work with because it adds this whimsical gossamer-y thing. We're going to just kind of wrap it around my finger a few times. It's got a knot or two. Isn't that lovely? I love when my stuff gets whacked. And I don't see a snip in front of me, so I'm just going to tear that. And what we're going to do is we're going to go behind where those dimensionals are, and we're going to pop these ribbons on just like so. And you can take any loose ends and you can kind of touch them to the dimensional, and you get this little whimsy fun thing there, and we're gonna put it just like so on this little note card. And look how cute that is, super simple. I would totally have played with this and made it fancier if I were like really gonna overthink this, but I want you guys to realize you don't have to overthink your crafting. You just craft. That's all you've gotta do. Make something simple and sweet, right? And the reason I chose a 4x4 card is that it will fit perfectly in just like so. Now what we're going to do is show you guys how the hot cocoa packet can tuck right inside. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it just like this. And I like to have my golds line up. So see the stripe line there and the stripe line. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm saying, like the two stripes to match up, just like that. And you'll see this little flap. Don't worry about it yet. I'm going to show you why we're going to cover it up. And use your bone folder just to make this little pouch, right? Then we're gonna take a strip. I did a 1-inch strip with the same designer series paper, but the other side, and we're gonna wrap it around. Super cute, right? Don't have to overthink your projects, girls. Just have fun with them. And I'm making the first fold and kind of tucking it in, but I do wanna make sure it's all gonna fit. So I kind of might stick that in like that, so that I kind of can see where it needs to go. I don't wanna make it too tight, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna go ahead and fold it across the back. So I've decided every year this will be my advent calendar. I spent time this week planning out all of 2019, if you can believe that. 2019 is completely planned. I have never felt more successful than accomplishing that. So what we're going to do is stick this like so. So we're covering that white. We're going to get a little bit more gold that way. And then we're going to take this. Our snail adhesive is so easy to use. And just make sure it lines up nice and flat. Then we're gonna stick our little hot cocoa packet in it. You could take and put a little belly band if you wanted on that. Do you know what a belly band is? That's what that stripe was. The stripe here is a belly band. That same packet of paper, I have like a little belly band if I wanted to, but I really don't think it needs it. It's gonna tuck in. So we're just gonna take the back part of that bag, just like that. And we're gonna stick the hot cocoa packet in it. We're gonna write a little note on here to bless somebody. I don't know who I'm gonna bless to. Oh, you know who I do know what we're gonna bless. One of the gentlemen in our homeschool co-op is a retired police officer who makes time with the kids, and he helps them to rebuild cars for free on the weekend. So my son and daughter are taking a class with Ron right now. Hi, Laura Payway. And so I'm gonna write Ron a little note. Ron, thank you for being so very awesome with our kids. It really warms our heart. I should probably draw that a little bit nicer. You can even doodle it in. Look at that. Enjoy a warm drink on us. Blessings, the Albanese's family. My handwriting is not the best there, but how cute is this little card, right? So we have this across the back. I don't like that it's lifting, and I will be clear. I might have been raised by hippies, but my grandmother was not. So we are not allowed to have like little hanging chads like that. So we have our hot cocoa packet inside. We're gonna tuck this in the front pouch, and then we're gonna take that little candy cane, just like so, and stick that in the front. So now you have this really, hi Anita. So you have a really cute pouch that came out of one of our easy little gift bags. Our little gift bags are great for putting cards or treasures inside. It's a striped treat bag. It's got gold foil. There's 10 in a package. It's item number 144255. It is, again, I keep it in my repertoire on a regular basis. So here's a little hot cocoa packet. Here's a little note card thanking Ron, who I'm going to go pick up my kids from right now. And a little wishing you a Merry Christmas. How sweet. Super easy to do, you guys. Wrapped in a coordinating designer series. Oh, you can even put it in the front like that if you wanted. And then you have the pouch. I'm not going to. That would drive me kind of crazy. So you look for the inside pouch. Just like that. And you stick the little candy cane inside. Ron is actually was the partner to the officer that lost his life in the mass shooting out here in Thousand Oaks. So he has been so gracious with our kids and has been so wonderful. And I really wanted to thank him, but he doesn't like to harbor on, the loss of a friend of his. So I think this is a fun way to give him a little warm greeting. And I hope that it cheers you guys up. This is day one of our 24 Advent day of Getting Crafty. So Getting Crafty Advent Calendar, a little gift that you can give away, sure to warm somebody's day. So if you're catching this, my name is Jamie and I'm with gettingcrafty.net, which I have my paper here somewhere. And I will put this out, oh, I should put it on the belly band so it sticks out. That's a good idea too. Wanda did a really sweet little idea. Look at that. Look at that, Wanda. Much cuter. Good idea. Look at what she just suggested. Attaching it to the belly band like that. If I had the longer one, it would be easier to have it hang as well. But how sweet, easy, and it's sure to bless Ron for all the blessings that he's done with our kids. And I'm going to go pop this on my blog and then just go get my kids right now. So I am taping this live. So if you guys saw this, it's on my facebook.com/gettingcrafty.net. That's facebook.com/gettingcrafty.net. And I will be with you guys every day to do a quick live and to have fun crafting with you. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. Happy holidays. Travel safely, Wanda, and anybody else that's traveling today. And I hope to see you guys back tomorrow, the next 24 days. Talk to you later. Mwah! Bye.